So this is the reference image I'm gonna be creating for today's art, and my name is Sylvia. For those who are new here, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And as I did mention that this is gonna be the reference image, I am creating this piece on Procreate into my art style. I got it from Pinterest and thought that I would be able to create. So I hope you do watch the video all the way to the end. I'm gonna cue the music and hope you also enjoy the music. And thanks for watching. If you do stick around, remember to leave your comments in the comment down section down below, and enjoy the video. So as we come into the end of this video, I just wanna thank you if you managed to watch until the end as I finish up with the hair. I just wanted to do a very simple video for this round as I did want to put out something and this week, and this was what I thought to create. I hope you did enjoy the video and leave your comments down below. If you did, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the next video. And always, as I always say, remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.